What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Welcome to the beautiful city of Sydney under lockdown. And to make things worse, we're in a red zone area where we can't leave our LGA. So this is not your typical adventure style video. This is more of an inspiration video on how we face some of the challenges that the lockdown has created, physically and mentally. This is life in lockdown. So your typical day of life in lockdown would be wake up late in the morning, put a coffee on the fire, gotta have a coffee, and in this case, a Greek coffee. Grab the remote, turn on the TV and see all the usual suspects talking about COVID cases. Cases rising every day. More cases, more deaths. With no sign of anything slowing down, it looks like things were going to be bad for quite a while. So it was quite easy to spend the nights on the bottle as we had no adventures planned for the near future. All adventures were basically on hold. But the worst part of all this was knowing that the dark horse was going in the garage and not coming out for a long time. No bike, no adventures. It's in the arse. I mean, we're an adventure channel. They can't go on adventures. What can you do? Not much, eh? And for a couple of months, that's all we were doing. Nothing. We were eating wrong. We weren't exercising. Man, we put on weight, fucking a lot of weight. Fitness level dropped, just wasted those months. But it's not all bad, because when life throws you a curveball and hits you so hard it knocks you down, it's that moment when you're down, you basically stare defeat in the face. You feel it, you take it all in, and it feels uncomfortable, so uncomfortable that you don't want to be there. So it becomes a mental battle. You need to make a choice. You either accept it and ride it out, or you do something about it. So I decided to use this time to look inward, work on ourselves, to better ourselves, make this negative into a positive. So when the time comes, we could break out of this lockdown, bigger, stronger, and faster than before. So it was around mid-August and I did my first weigh-in. We were at 3-digit figures for the first time in my life. Like, that was shit. Shut up. 107. Oofed. I knew it was time. We had to get our head in the game. So straight away, the diet changed. We started to eat healthy, starting with breakfast. Okay, breakfast is oats with light milk, a cup of strawberries, a tablespoon of blueberries, and some high protein yogurt, with about a teaspoon of honey drizzled over the top. 343 glorious calories. So I jumped on YouTube to search for some inspiration and I came across ThatCarLife. Geordie was rocking a motor blocker shirt, like in his video. Oh wait, Geordie's wearing a motor blocker shirt. Thanks, Geordie. That was like a big morale boost, like massive. It was massive. Anyway, we had to get to work. Alright guys, another day back on the track. So what I'm doing is basically walking from pole to pole and then jogging to the next. And then walk to the next one, jog to the next one, so on, so on. So we'll see over time if we can start running more poles and walking less until we're basically running the whole lot. So that's how we're going to build up our fitness level so we can get ready and tackle these big adventures when we get out of lockdown. So that's the plan. So now that we have created the plan, the walking started, then the jogging, then the training. Alright guys, so today's lunch is udon noodles with tofu, radish, baby spinach, carrots, stir fried in a tablespoon of olive oil and served with some green tea. Beautiful. 467 calories. Sick. Week by week, the fat started melting away. The goal was 12 kilos in 3 months, so about a kilo a week. And I used this app, Fat Secret, to help me keep track of everything I was eating, so I could keep track of my calories, my weight, and you can talk to other people that are on the app. So it's got a community on there, which is it's very helpful. So far, so good. Not quite on target, but very, very close. What's going on, guys? It's the start of October and we've got confirmation that on the 11th restrictions are easing. So we've been training now for around 7 weeks. We've lost a little bit of weight. We've gone from 107 kilos down to 100 something. We're not under 100 yet, but Monday is the weigh-in, so I'm really excited for that. I'm really trying to break into the double digits. Every morning now I've been training with Mackie. Let me introduce you. Where's Mackie? He's my new training partner. Mackie! There he is, he's coming. Check this guy out, guys. He's a bully breed, so plenty of strength on him and very good for keeping fit. So I've been doing the runs at night now. I've been doing the walks in the morning and throwing in a training session in the afternoon. 3 times a day, almost, whenever I can. Sometimes I'm too tired and I need a rest day. But I haven't had a cheat day yet, so that's pretty good. It's not really a weight loss journey, it's more of a fitness lifestyle journey. So from now on, we're gonna be trying to find good food on our adventures too. We'll be doing little food trails, and yeah, I think it's going to be good, and we'll see over time how we change and grow. Till then, we're just going to keep training, keep doing this and see where it takes us. Lunch for today, guys, is a nice healthy bowl of lentil soup. I thought I should try something different. Did you know that the Greek word for lentil soup is faki? Fakis. We're focused and determined to reach the goal, but to maintain that level of focus, we were gonna have to become a monster mentally. Something I heard from Fearless Motivation when I was surfing the net looking for some inspiration. I wanted to add that in here in case my future self ever felt like quitting, can look back and see that this is where this journey all started. Right here, right now.
It's not easy going it alone, but if you keep going, stay true to yourself, it will be worth it in the end. The hardest walk you can make is the walk you make alone. But that is the walk that makes you the strongest. That is the walk that builds your character the most. To all of you fighting battles alone, to all of you going against the grain, battling the naysayers, stay strong, keep going. Stay strong, keep going. This walk is hard, but the hardest walks lead to the greatest destinations. The toughest climbs always lead to the best views. It will be worth it in the end. And if you show what you are made of, the right people will show up in your life. You won't be a lone wolf forever. You have qualities only few can admire because most don't possess. You have strength only few can understand because most have never experienced. So don't give in. Don't settle. Don't lower your expectations to fit into the world. You were born to stand out. You were born to lead. Lead the pack.
Check out dinner, guys. I've just stir fried some radishes and carrots, boiling some broccoli, and we've got tuna steaks. Now that's for dinner, about 450 calories of just goodness. Okay, Monday weigh-in. Yes! 99. Yes! Alright guys, so as of right now, we're 99 kilos. So we've done it. We broke into the double digits. So I'm really excited about that. The only thing left to do now is to get the dark horse ready for adventures. So let's call Harley Heaven. Good day, Dennis. I want to book the dark horse in for a service. It's a 2018 breakout.
How many Qs is it then roughly?
It's the 114. The biggest motivator that helped us get back on track is you guys, the subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me through these tough times and for all the nice comments. The adventures will continue when everything reopens, and until then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.